In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the replace and the find and replace command to replace data in your Microsoft Excel workbook and worksheet. So we're going to go over to our 08 SPA Services file that we've been working in. And like I've said in the previous video, the data may not be the same as what you have in yours. I neglected to put some of the data in there. If you're in my classroom, just use my method to do what you're supposed to do. So what I want to do, I'm on sheet Monday down here. What we're going to do, we're going to focus in on this name Sarah. So we've realized, maybe we work for the salon or the spa, and we realize that we've spelled our customer's name wrong. Maybe this Sarah doesn't want an H on the end of her name. So what we do, we go into our Home tab, we go to our Find and Select command button, and we go, instead of find, we're going to go to replace. So we're in the same box. Last time we were in the Find tab, now we're in the Replace tab. So find what? And if you've used the Find and Replace box before, you may have a name pop up. So we're going to get rid of that. We're just going to type over it. And we're going to type in Sarah with the H on the end. And what are we going to replace it with? Well, we're going to replace it with just Sarah with no H on the end. But what we're going to do, I'm going to show you another feature we can do. So we're going to replace Sarah with another spelling of Sarah. We're going to click Format. We're going to go to Font. And what we're going to do, we're going to change the color of her name. Maybe we want her name in red for some odd reason. But, you know, you may want to bold it. You might want to underline it. You might want to do something. Maybe red means something to you. Okay. So now we're going to click Find All. If you go down here, I'm going to find 3 instances of Sarah. And we're going to click Replace All. And it says, all done, we made 3 replacements. Click OK. And we had it within our workbook. So we could have just done it within this one active worksheet. But I chose to leave workbook selected, so it affected the entire workbook. So I can close this box. And now we have Sarah without the H in red. And that's how you use the Find and Replace command in Microsoft Excel.